Alright guys, so I stopped at my local Target before heading to BurgerFi, and look what we have over here. Elite 92. They have the Burnt Fiend. They actually have two Burnt Fiends. Scarlet over there. And then we have Ric Flair right here. This is a pretty cool Ric Flair. Mostly because of the Four Horsemen t-shirt. So I like this. I might have to, pick this up at some point, but probably not today. Scarlet right here. Ultimate Alexa Bliss. We have Rey Mysterio, another Rey Mysterio, and I swear I've seen, there's Kevin Owens over here, but I swear a minute ago, oh, here it is, Adam Cole. I knew I seen Adam Cole. It's the regular, not the chase. I know a lot of people prefer the chase, that way you could complete your camouflage Undisputed Era, but nope, it's the one in the green pants, green trunks. Yeah, that's about it. They have not yet restocked the Ultimate Batista. However, this one has restocked him about 3 times. Another thing I can't get away from. These are just never going anywhere. They'll probably make it past Christmas once again. If you're in the market for wrestling figures, I just want to note that ULTFC, that's ULTFC, saves 10% on everything at Ringside Collectibles. And in case you're wondering, Target still has plenty of Lonely Landos. I can't get away from this guy at Disney World, here at Target. He's everywhere, guys. Or if you happen to be in the market for some other collectibles like Funko Pops, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, then Ultimate FC saves 10% on all in-stock items at Entertainment Earth. Alright guys, here with another Ringside Collectibles mail call. This is Unrivaled Series 9, so let's see what we got here. So, first we have Thunder Rosa, her first time figure. And then we have Brian Cage, right here. This is his first time figure as well. And then we have Christian Cage. And we have Ricky Starks. And Ricky Starks and Thunder Rosa are both the standard ones. And then we have Eddie Kingston, another first time ever figure. He's never had a figure before. And lastly, we have Will Hobbs to complete AEW Unrivaled Series 9. Alright guys, and in case you're wondering, the set does spell out Rampage, with the exception of the E, which I'm not sure if one of the chases will have the E, or maybe a store exclusive, but yeah, that's what it spells out. And of course, you can get all of these great figures using discount code ULTFC at Ringside Collectibles to save 10%.
I know you getting no play with that perm in your hair. That had you walk in this pavilion when you looking like a whack-ass Cat Williams. I got this guy backing up. Yo, I think that we should call you Count Blackula. So enjoy your new name, it's universal. Everybody loves the Acclaim.
All right, Amina.
With a 20-minute contest is September 1 with a 20-minute time limit. Introduced first from Minneapolis, Minnesota, playing 2. Silver and Alex Reynolds.
Whoa! Yeah!
The following contest is a six-man tag team match set for one fall with a total The following contest is set for one fall and it falls under Ring of Honor.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
And his opponent from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, weighing 200 pounds, representing
Boom!
Take a look!
Alright guys, so I'm inside Walmart and they do have On Match Series 3. We have Anna Jay over here. Let's see. Yeah, all of the regular standard Anna Jay figures. We have John Silver right here. And behind him is another John Silver. And we have Stu Grayson right here. We also have Matt Jackson from Unrivaled Series 7. Nick Jackson from Unrivaled Series 7. Another Matt Jackson. Down here we have Lance Archer. And we also have a bunch of Nyla Rose. So, yeah, you know, they do have On Match, but not that great of a selection, but at least there's On Match Series 3. Alright guys, so I'm back here, back at my local Target again because I have to grab a couple of things. Decided to check the wrestling figures, and this is a very weird selection. Usually this Target is stacked, but we have 2 Frankies here, which there was 4 before, so that's a good sign. But look at this. 5 Trish Stratus figures. 5 of them. Like, where did these come from? Have these just been sitting at the back? Did they get a case of these? What's going on? We got a Series 91 Sami Zayn, and then we have some top picks to rock, and of course China, another top picks to rock. But yeah, the Trish Stratus is just weird, very odd. And I just want to end today's video with an AEW shop mail call. Of course, the one of 3,000 shop AEW Kenny Omega. This figure is basically the same as the Series 4 figure. It just has the t-shirt. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I was glad to be able to score one of these. However, unfortunately, I did order a Defender case. And when it shipped, there is not a Defender case. I was charged for a Defender case. It was supposed to ship in the Defender case. And it's not here. So I guess I'll have to email them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been very AEW heavy this week. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support, guys. And please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you want to see more content just like this. I also just want to quickly point out how awesome the artwork on the box is. Look at this, guys. Kenny Omega looks like a superhero. There it says exclusive over Unrivaled Collection. Omega here. And then here on the side. Pretty cool. Love the box. And let me get the back. Which, pretty standard, you know, nothing too special. Yeah, great figure, great box, happy to own it. Thanks for supporting, guys.